them stab you. America, them shoot up the whole school. Canada, them do that anyway. Africa, them kill you same way. Anywhere you're there, you know say that can happen. But and not even poorness what make we behave so either, you know. Cause I born poor, but we're rich still, you know. Rich in the spirit. But the poorness never make we do none of them things yet. We hustle. You know? We go to school. Because school are the only passport to a higher life. To success right now. Education. See? We go to school and we do what we have to do and we come out and we hustle. And the poorness make the people them are going so. An evil spirit look like it there in the place and ride everybody. Some evil. You know what I mean? It's like when we see the little youth who are 23 year old, you know, and you kill mommy. Alright, so you kill mommy and you kill the 4 youth too. You use, it's not even a gun, you know. When you have a gun and say you can shoot from afar and you know what I mean, somebody dead, but when you cut somebody and the blood spew out upon you, you cut the next one. What kind of heart him have? So them I say him forget the death penalty. But me I say death too good for him. Death too good for him. Him to stay here. And even if we have to feed him, even if we have to feed him with taxpayers' money, him to stay here. And him to work and make grandmother have some money too. You know? The truth is, when I see this gathering, I give thanks to it still. I give thanks to it. Still, me that prefer Big Stone, me that prefer we march go to Jamaica house. But make bro God know say we're not satisfied with what going on in Jamaica at all. You know what I mean? We're not satisfied with what going on. And him up at Jamaica house, that's one him alright. Him and him wife and him family and other politicians, them alright. You know what I mean? But them don't really care about we. We have to start care about one another, you know. We have to start care about each other. We have to love our brother and love our sister like how we love ourselves.
That's right. Yeah, man.
We have to look out for each other. As everybody has said, since when the gun turn for we, and we are killing each other. Why we not? I can't even say it. I can't even say it. But why we not, you know? Why we not kill off some of them? why we not do that? Why we always the person that we are killed can't even find funeral money? You know what I mean? You just kill some youth when you and them go to school, you and them go to church, and a foolishness we are dealing with, man. Here we know, man. We have to look out for each other. Make we look out for each other. And make we take care of ourselves, make we eat healthy and live as long as we can. Make we drink enough water, because enough people, it's like I don't sick, them just dehydrated, them just want water. Some people are just sleep deprivation. You want to get enough sleep and you want to get enough food. And let me tell you something, it no matter. Where you saw the grabber? Yeah, you not smoke too much. Grab her! Grab her! Grab her! Grab her too hot, man. You have to drink some water, man. You know what I mean? Can't get up in the morning and drink rum and them something for your tea. You ever have cirrhosis of the liver? Yeah, and Mali, Mali and Sally and all them something. Right now, we fire about all of that. Black people nothing take on upon themselves certain things where them don't know. Make we eat some soursop now, because we see the soursop tree. Little after this, we have to start apologize to the soursop tree how we deal with it. Because soursop can cure a whole lot of things we have to you. Right now you can't sleep and you're fatigued at night time. Drink some soursop juice. Yeah, it make your nerves settle. You know what I mean? Anything we have label on it, where them have to tell you, and I tell you how much this and how much that tonight is not good for you. Anything where them have to put label on. So eat some sauce up, eat some mango, all of them things there. And make we take care of ourselves, man. You know what I mean? Make we try to use what we have and get what we want. Because if a man have a house with 24 rooms tonight, him can't sleep in more than one at a time. If him have a fridge full of food, he only can eat him belly full at a time. If him have one closet full of clothes, he only can wear one suit at a time. If him have 100 pair of shoes, he only can wear one at a time. Muta not even wear none. See? So we all equal. I don't see nobody upstairs. I don't see nobody down. I see them straight in front of me. Zin. So we don't look for nobody inferior, we don't look for nobody superior. See, we must see each other. Everything that has the breath of life in it has equality towards it. Even the animal them. Although we know say someone will kill them and eat them and things. You know? I survive. You know what I mean? But yeah, we look after ourselves. I want to sing one song for now and cut, you know, because if Jah is by my side, I won't die. No, I won't die. This your junior bum, bum, bum. This your junior bum, bum. I'm gonna take off my glasses. Cause if Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid? Pestilence that crawling by night. If Jah is standing by my side, then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawling by night? Your best you try to harm when you die. Maybe to kill, but I love you still. You are here to make prophecy fulfill. It's Jah will. No weapon that form against me. Desire shall not be. Divine protection shall set my soul free. Talk to me if Jah is standing. Hey, why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth by night? Yes, I know if Jah is standing by my side. And then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth by night? Hear this. The gates of hell can never prevail. From I know Jah, he never fails. What you think I'm going to give up now? You know, sister, Rasta man don't bow. My foes attack, and I just smile. They don't seem to understand my style. My confidence is so high, high. In a Abba Jana, if Jah is standing by my side, and then why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawleth mine? Sure, Rastafari, love your song, Isis, Isis. Jah. Tell me, another big round of applause.